Welcome to Part 2 of this video introduction to PowerPoint Basics. Part 1 concluded by pointing out that the ribbon is organized by tabs. This is where you will find most of the tools to create your slides. Here on the left is your File menu, which offers buttons to Save, Save As, open your recent PowerPoint files, start a new one, or print the current slideshow, to name just a few. Next is the Home tab. Perfectly named since you will start out here, use it for adding new slides and entering text, and come back to it again and again. Within this and the rest of these tabs, the tools are organized in groups. This is the Clipboard Group. More of the buttons become active after you select some text. An important tip to remember is that you can learn the function of just about every button here by hovering over it for a second. You will then see a brief explanation. Next is the Slides group, where you can create new slides and change their layout. The font group here becomes active when you click on a placeholder or text box. Some groups, like this one, have a button in the bottom right corner that will open a dialog box with more tools related to the group. Next up is the Paragraph group, which gives you further control over how you arrange your text. The Drawing and Editing groups complete this Home tab. There are 8 more tabs. Let's look them over from left to right. The Insert tab allows you to add a table, picture, text box, or other items, including video or audio. Next, Design, which allows you to choose an attractive background and theme. The next tab is Transitions, a little more advanced feature that allows you to choose the way your slides switch from one to another. The tools under Animations only come into play when you want to get fancy with how your text bullets or other objects enter the slide. There's no hurry on that. As you might expect, the Slideshow tab gives you options for playing and setting up your slideshow. Review is where you will find spell check, search, thesaurus, and world language tools. This is also the place where you could view comments and revisions added to the file by an instructor or classmate. This is similar to track changes in Microsoft Word. View gives you other options for navigating your slides while working on your presentation. The Add-ins tab is used only to add extra tools not found in this version of PowerPoint. You may feel free to completely disregard it until you become an advanced user of PowerPoint. This concludes the first installment of PowerPoint Basics. Remember, you can view this video as many times as you like to familiarize yourself with the information. For a more general introduction, view the first video in this series, Overview of PowerPoint. When you are ready, view the next chapter to learn how to get started creating your presentation. A series of videos follows, showing you how to add multimedia and finalize your slides step by step.